this bowl for two.
There it goes.
I'm gonna wanna smoke it with you.
One time. One time.
So please don't run away when my ganja's all gone. I promise that I should gonna stay when my flight is all done. There's only one thing left to do. I've got this one look, this frosty purple mug, and it's big enough for two. But I said, oh I packed this bowl for two.